Hola, Eddie.
Hola.
¿Cómo está?
Bien.
This is the volcano?
¿Sí?
Yeah. Wow. You like?
¿Sí?
Yeah. Hey. Solino, you like volcano? Yeah. So me see you in Los Angeles?
Sí.
Yeah.
Lo vamos a ver.
Bueno. Oh. So this is the volcano?
Yes, that's all of that's.
This is the mouth of the volcano.
Yes.
Right? Oh my god. Wow, nice. This is it. The mouth of the volcano. We're up high, high, high. Very nice. Very nice. This is the place to be. Otavalo, but this is not Otavalo. This is what?
That's Quicocha, the name the volcano.
yeah.
Volcano name is Quicocha.
And then this one is called Imbabura.
Yes.
Imbabura is my country.
Yes, yeah.
So nice. Thank you.
Welcome.
Yes. Very nice. Music is background.
Yes. Okay, sure.
Nice. Nice. Thank you.
Welcome.
Hey, Yuri, what up? How's it going? Good?
Yeah.
Yes.